What is data analysis?
Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. It involves using statistical and analytical tools to interpret data, identify patterns, and make data-driven recommendations.
What tools are you familiar with for data analysis?
I am familiar with tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, R, Tableau, and Power BI for data analysis. I also have experience using data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn for Python, and I can work with large datasets efficiently.
Can you explain the difference between structured and unstructured data?
Structured data is organized in a table with rows and columns, like databases, making it easy to analyze. Examples include customer information or sales data in relational databases. Unstructured data, on the other hand, lacks a predefined format, such as social media posts, images, or text files, and requires advanced methods, like text mining or image processing, to extract useful insights.
What is SQL and how do you use it in your work?
SQL, structured query language, is used to manage and manipulate relational databases. I use SQL to extract, filter, and aggregate data. For example, I write select queries to retrieve specific data, use joins to combine tables, and use group by and having to aggregate data for analysis.
What is the difference between inner join and outer join in SQL?
An inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. An outer join returns all rows from one table and the matching rows from the other table, with nulls in place where there is no match.
What is normalization in a database?
Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves dividing large tables into smaller ones and using relationships to maintain data consistency. The goal is to reduce anomalies during data insertion, update, and deletion.
How would you handle missing data in a dataset?
There are several ways to handle missing data, depending on the situation. Remove. If the missing data is minimal or random, impute. Replace missing values with the mean, median, or mode. Predict. Use machine learning models to predict missing values based on other features. Leave as is. If the missing values are in a non-essential column, they might not affect analysis.
What is hypothesis testing, and how would you apply it?
Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether there is enough evidence to reject a null hypothesis. I would apply it by setting up a null and alternative hypothesis, choosing a significance level, usually 0.05, and using statistical tests, like t-tests or chi-square, to determine if the result is significant.
What are the key components of a good data visualization?
A good data visualization should be clear and easy to understand. Use appropriate charts for the data type, e.g., bar charts for categories, line charts for trends. Have a clean design with appropriate colors and labels. Convey insights quickly without overwhelming the audience with too much information.
What is the difference between correlation and causation?
Correlation is when two variables move together, but it doesn't imply that one causes the other. Causation means that one variable directly affects another. Just because two variables are correlated doesn't mean one causes the other.
How do you ensure the quality of data you work with?
I ensure data quality by validating data for accuracy, consistency, and completeness. Removing or correcting outliers or errors in data. Regularly checking the data collection processes for potential issues. Using tools like data cleaning scripts or software to automate the process.
Explain the difference between regression and classification.
Regression is a type of predictive modeling where the output is continuous, e.g., predicting house prices. Classification, on the other hand, involves predicting categorical outcomes, e.g., determining if an email is spam or not.
What is the purpose of a pivot table?
A pivot table is a data summarization tool used in Excel or other tools like Tableau to aggregate, sort, and analyze data. It allows users to summarize large data sets by organizing and categorizing data to uncover insights, such as sales by region or average customer age.
What are some challenges you faced in your previous data analysis projects, and how did you overcome them?
One challenge was dealing with incomplete datasets. I overcame this by using imputation techniques to estimate missing values or excluding non-critical rows. Another challenge was dealing with large volumes of data, which I addressed by using efficient data processing techniques, like filtering and aggregating data before analysis.
Explain the concept of data wrangling.
Data wrangling is the process of cleaning, restructuring, and enriching raw data into a format that is suitable for analysis. It involves tasks like handling missing values, converting data types, removing duplicates, and merging datasets.
What is a confidence interval?
A confidence interval is a range of values, derived from sample data, that is likely to contain the population parameter with a certain level of confidence, e.g., 95% confidence. It provides an estimate of the uncertainty around a sample statistic.
Can you explain the concept of outliers in a dataset?
Outliers are data points that are significantly different from the rest of the data. They can result from errors, or they might represent important variations. Identifying and handling outliers is crucial because they can distort analysis results. I handle them by either removing them, adjusting their values, or using robust statistical methods.
What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning?
Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the outcome is known, to make predictions on new data. Unsupervised learning involves training a model on unlabeled data to find patterns or relationships, e.g., clustering.
What is the importance of data privacy and security in data analysis?
Data privacy and security are critical in ensuring that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access or breaches. As a data analyst, I ensure compliance with relevant data protection laws, like GDPR, and take steps to anonymize or encrypt data when necessary.
How do you stay updated with new trends and technologies in data analysis?
I stay updated by following data science blogs, attending webinars and conferences, participating in online forums, and taking relevant courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. Additionally, I regularly practice with new tools and datasets to stay current with industry trends.